Did you know the world's most expensive painting was stolen by two men dressed as police officers in just 81 minutes? The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston was supposed to be secure. Motion detectors, guard patrols, alarm systems throughout, but on St. Patrick's Day 1990, two thieves had a brilliant plan. They knocked on the museum door at 1 in the morning, told the guards they were responding to a disturbance call. The guards let them in. Once inside, the fake officers tied up the real guards, disabled the security cameras, then methodically walked through the galleries. They cut 13 priceless artworks from their frames, including paintings by Vermeer and Rembrandt worth over $500 million. The thieves vanished into the night. 34 years later, the FBI still has no arrests, no recovered artwork, no solid leads. The empty frames still hang on the museum walls today, a constant reminder of the night two men in fake uniforms pulled off the greatest art heist in history and got away with it.